Have you ever wondered what happens to your food after you eat it? Welcome to the amazing stomach adventure. When you take a bite, your food travels down the esophagus, a tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. Your stomach is like a stretchy bag, perfect for mixing and mashing. Inside, it's super busy. Your stomach produces a special juice called gastric acid, which helps break down food, making it mushy and ready for the next step. Imagine your food going on a wild roller coaster ride, twisting and turning as it gets mixed up. After a few hours of this awesome action, the food transforms into a thick soup called kain. But wait, there's more. Your stomach isn't alone in this adventure. After the stomach, the kaimi moves to the small intestine, where tiny helpers called villi soak up all the good stuff, like vitamins and energy. These little fingers work hard to ensure your body gets the fuel it needs to play, run, and learn. So, next time you munch on a snack, remember the amazing journey your food takes inside your tummy. Your stomach is a true hero in the digestion adventure, making sure you have the energy to explore the world around you.